Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी देव बरी सांज दिवं तुमकां सगळ्यांक. गुड इवनिंग टू यू ऑल. And today it's like around 5:30 and I would love to make some snacks today as I have little bit less of work. So I had brought this from Mapsa, or you get any bakery shop. These cones, they are called canopy cones or cones. So I brought that one packet, and then I'm going to make some stuffing for it. And these are our homegrown kale leaves. So I'm going to saute this Kheema. So I've taken like 1/4 kg of Kheema, few kale leaves. If you don't have this, then you can use any of your choice flavor, or you don't use this, but this gives nice flavor and high potassium, and it's good for health. So these are like 6 kale leaves, and I've taken a little bit of coriander, chopped green chili, chopped one piri piri you can say, or you can say the red chili, Portugal chili, and one red bird's eye chili, few like around 4 chopped garlic cloves, and one white onion. So this is all going to go for my saute of the chicken. तर हांवें हे आमचे हांवें घरा जे आमी रोयलां पळय तें घेतलां. हे जावन आसा कालेची पानां, आनी ती आमी लायलेली, ती आमकां जाल्या आमची घरान. तर तेजी हांवें 6 पानां घेतल्या, ती बारीक कातरूंक जाय. ही जावन आसा आमची ओली कोथमीर बारीक इल्ली, ही एक व्हडली मिरसांग बारीक शिनलेली, आनी ही एक धाकटी आमची पोर्तुगाल मिरसांग तांबडी एकूच घेतल्या धाकटुशी ती. हे 4 बोयो हांवें लोसणीच्यो घेतल्या, एक धवो कांदो घेतला, तुमच्यान तांबडो कांदो घेवं येता. ह्यो आमचो 1/4 kg चिकन खिमा. ओके, चिकनाचें करता हांव. आनी हे जावन आसा इल्ले मियोनीस आनी इल्ले टमाटाचे सॉस. ओके, आनी ही आमची बाजारांतली जी हाडल्या पळय ती. तर पयलीं आमी हे सगळें भाजून घेवया. एका पूण बारीक कातरून घेवया. दाखोवपाक लागून हांवें कातरूंक नासलें, पूण हें बारीक कातरून घेयात. Let's chop this nicely fine. We'll take around 2 teaspoons of oil. So my seasoning is main kale leaves and peri peri red bird's eye chili. That is the main seasoning for this. And now we will fry our garlic and chilies. Now if you don't like spiciness, then you don't add chilies. Onion कोणाक तीख नाका, मिरसांग्यो घाली नाका. And now up low flame and saute it. Now we add salt to taste. And we'll add a mix. I will cover this and cook for few minutes. बिलकुल उदक घालूंक ना, पण उदक सुटला सो ताका ते शिजोनी. Now we'll mash this as it is getting cooked. Now we'll add our chopped coriander. And the mince is already cooked. So now we'll put off the gas and let it get cool. Then I will show you what we can do out of this. You have to just feel this, okay? But let it get little bit of gas off. मातशें आतां गॅस बंद करया. मागीर फिलिंगान ते घालया, ती कोर्नान घालपाचें आहा. मातशें निवानी. Now we'll take this. How much you need for the filling? That much only you take. And then we'll add this mayo and tomato. And mix this up. Now we will have to fill this in the cones. So I will show you how to fill this in the cones. So हे कोन हितून घालुया. कितले भरूंक जाता तितले भरात भितर पासून. See how it goes inside, filling. अशेंच करून सगळे भरून घेयात. And enjoy your evening snacks or party snacks. केन्ना पार्टी बा आसता तेन्ना हें करात आनी enjoy करात. So hope you all will enjoy this. Thank you so much. And do let me know how did you all like this recipe. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. मानता की तुमकां सगल्यांक आवडटलें आनी हे तर इजिली मेळटात आनी चड म्हारगूय न्हू. म्हापसा मेळटा वो खंयचेय बेकरीन मेळटा. बास्केट्सान हे आसता चड करून. सो quick snacks, chai snacks, party snacks. Thank you.